everyone, welcome back to my channel Cat by Natindra. So in this video, we are going to create this sheet metal part. As already we know, in before tutorials, we have completed how to use particular options in CATIA sheet metal design. Now let's create this part in sheet metal. So before going to create, let's analyze this part. Now here isometric view also we are having. Then this is the front view we are having. Then top view is there. Beside front view we are having here right side view. So just if you are looking from here, so this is a left side view. So if we are having front view, again top view on bottom, again side view on left, this is first angle of projection. So in first angle of projection, left side view will be on right side, that already we know. Then this one is flattened view, like unfolded view we will call. So after making all this design, if we make flatten the sheet, then we need to get this particular design. In this shape only we are going to cut material by using laser machine. So laser cutting, it will cut in this way. After cutting the material, later we can go for bending options. Now let's see how to design this part, and let me show you how to do drawing also, and how to insert this unfolded view also. Now, so just I'll go here with generative sheet metal design by using start generative sheet metal design. Let's say okay. Now, as you know, after entering into sheet metal design, first thing we need to make thickness and bend radius we need to specify. So let's see this diagram. You can see here thickness we are having 4 mm, bend radius also they have given 4 mm. So just I'll go here with this sheet metal parameters. Thickness we are having 4, bend radius also 4, let's say okay. Then to create this part, first I'll start here with this step. So just by using a single step we can create this entire base. So to create that, on the front plane you can see according to requirement, like according to this diagram, if we make isometric view, we need in this way. It means material should be added in left and right direction. It means we need to go for sketch on right plane. If you want, we can create on front plane also, no issue, but orientation it will change. So I am going to create how they have mentioned, same as it is. So here I'll go with position sketch, swap, reverse, horizontal. So this right side always it should be horizontal, upside should be vertical, let's say okay. Now to create this step, you can see this step we want here. So just I'll go here with this profile. I'll start somewhere from here, horizontal, then vertical, again horizontal, then again vertical, then up to here. Let's make escape. Then let me apply relations here by using constraint. This line to this line, mouse right click, we need here allow symmetric with reference to this. Then same this point to this point, we need symmetric with reference to this. Let me delete this dimension. We need only relation between point to point, mouse right click, allow symmetry with reference to the center one. Then dimension for this center line we are having here 200. Total length we need here 300. So let's give these dimensions. We need here 200. Point to point we need here 300. Then height we want. Height from this to this we are having here height of 40. So let's give this height 40 like this. Then exit workbench. Now with this shape, like as you know, while explaining the options I told, if you want to add thickness to the sheet by using 2D profile in our own way, so in such case we need to go here with this extrusion option. So extrusion is nothing but with our own profile we are able to create the sheet metal base. So extrusion I am going to use. Then what is the dimension we want? So this length we want. So this length you can see here. Let me zoom in. This length from this to this we are having here 96. So we want length of 96 here. So let me make this dimension of 96. Let's say okay, like this. So now this base created. Then after creating base, as you can see on this left side view, we are having exactly 90 degrees edge flange from this end. So just I'll go here with this edge flange from here towards upward direction. This height we want to mention here. So this height you can see from here to here we are having height of 150. So this height we are having 150. Let me give this height of 150. So next we need to observe, like after giving this height of 150, we need to check this bend, whether material should start from inside or outside. So let me open this and let me check this. Here you can see we have given this edge flange which is having height of 150. Then if you observe properly, up to here we have given length of 96 here. But from here with a distance of 100, it means this gap distance 100 minus 96. After making gap of 4 mm, we need this extra edge flange. So wall on edge, to create that, as you can see, material is now starting from inside, but it should start offset of 4 mm. So in such cases, we can use here clearance mode. Let me keep it here monodirectional. So how much material it should start from outside? As already we know, here distance we are having total 100. So gap we are having here 96. If we make 100 minus 96, this center gap we are having 4 mm. So we are taking this 4 mm as monodirectional value. Now you can see exactly that flange is like edge flange, avalan edge will be starting from here. Let's say okay, like this. Then after this, here you can see one more wall and edge is there with distance of 70, and whatever we have given this 150. So for this 150 height, this 70 wall and edge should be downside. So wall and edge from this edge reverse direction towards that side. We need here length of 70. Then one more thing we need to check here. Already this 150 we have given from this to this. So this 150 is to from this to top level. It means whatever the material we are adding, that should be inside. So here if you see, material is going up above that, but it should be inside of that. So here we will keep no clearance. Then again we need to check material is inwards or outside. You can see up to here already 150 length is there, but this line is collinear with inside line. But actually what we want, this line should be collinear with this outside line. So we'll make it here invert material side. Let's say okay. I hope you have understood. So little difficulty will be there, why? Because that is the main thing. We should not get 1 mm or at least 0.5 mm error also we should not get in sheet metal design. So excuse me. So after creating this wall and edge, next we are having these gaps. So here length of this wall and edge we are having 32. So same for this also, same for this one also. So let's create that wall and edge for this edge, then this edge. So length we need only here 32. Wall and edge 32 length for this. So this height is 32, then this height is 32 lengths. Then one more thing we need to check, this extra material that should be inside of that wall and edge or outside of the wall and edge. So that we can check here. You can see this is the base we have created already. So up to here material we given by using this gap we have given up to here. So this whatever this wall on edge extra we are going to create, that should be outside. Same how we got here, same like that only here also we are having. So now material should to be towards outside. So let me make it here. You can see if I make a right side view, we'll get clarity. So this is the view, front view, like this. So this extra material should be exactly equal to this outer one. So this line should be exactly collinear with this. So just we can go here with this monodirectional again. Same 4 mm offset we are having. Let's say okay. I hope you have understood this step. So that we need to observe. Same like this we need opposite side also. Just I'll double click on that. I'll select this side edges also at a time. Let's say like this. Now all this wall and edges created, then addition of material done. Now let's go for removal of material. So to remove material, let me start from this base. So on that base we are having here elongated hole with radius of 4.5. From center to the center point 6 mm dimension is there. So on this we'll go for sketch, reverse horizontal, reverse vertical, horizontal and vertical. We need here elongated hole like this. Then radius of this we are having 4.5. Dimension from center to here 6. So total we will be having length for this line 6 plus 6, 12. Then to make proper orientation, same here also this side is there. Let me make mirror that. Same here also we are having. Let's make it that mirror. So just I'll select this. I'll make mirror with reference to this. Same two we need other two here. So if we want we can create one more, or else just we can make it here mirror also. So to make mirror, let me create one center line like this. So this two mirror with reference to this. Then by using constraint, dimension from the center to center with reference to horizontal direction we are having 254. So this to this we are having here 254. Then center to center we are having here 56. So here we can't select the center point. As you can see, we will be not having any center point here. So what I'll do is just this to this I'll take. Center to center 56 minus 6 minus 6. So 56 minus 12 I will make like this. Then it should be exactly centered to this. So already this is 96. 96 minus 56, it should be 40. It means 20 from each side. So just I'll make this to this with a distance of 96 by 2 like this. So only these shapes we are going to remove. Exit workbench, we'll make here extruded cut, like cutout we will call here. So cutout up to next, go for preview. Let's say okay, properly material will be removed. Then next we are having this cutout on top face here. So here we'll go for sketch, same reverse vertical, reverse horizontal. Let's say okay. Now here also we are having one rectangle. Let me create one center point rectangle here. By using constraint, this line should start from this. We'll make it here coincidence. Length we are having 100, width we are having 50. So this length we need 100, this width we need 50. Then along with that, these two holes here itself we will create. Just I'll create here one, here one. So this to this, mouse right click, allow symmetry with reference to this. So what is the advantage of applying symmetry here means if you give dimension for one circle, automatically it will take for other also. So diameter 14. Then for making proper position, center to center 142, this vertical distance 20. So this to this we are having here 20. Center to center with reference to horizontal, we need 142. So exit workbench, we'll make again here cutout up to next, let's say. So like this, we can remove this material. So now addition of material done, removal of material done. At end we will go for dresser features, nothing but fillets. So here for corners we are having fillet radius of 10 for all these 4 corners. Then same here also you can see upside cutout also we are having radius of 10. So just I'll go here with this fillet corner. Let me select these edges. So this edge again here, then this, then this, again same side cutout inside edges. So this edge, then next to that this edge. So radius we are having 10 mm, let's say. Okay. So this is the part. So let me apply color also for part body. Mouse right click, we'll go for properties, graphic. So here color we will change. So like this we will get same as it is we got. Now let's create drawing for this particular part. So now to create drawing for this particular part, so let me go for drafting by using start drafting. Then sheet size we are taking here A3 size. So if you want to change, we can change sheet size also. So let me take here A2. Okay, let's say okay. Then to create here borders and zones and title block, so just I'll go for edit sheet background. Then just we need to go here with this under drawing toolbar frame and title block. Just we need to select sample, let's say okay. So just we can edit this. So for example drawing number, then part name. So let me give here sheet metal like this. So I'm not going to explain this drafting options in detail. Why? Because same options I have covered in drawing drafting tutorials. So if you have missed that, please watch that videos. Just I'll go back to edit, then working views. Now let's insert these views what they have given here. So first we are having here front view. So same by using this front view option, and by using window we need to open the part for which we need to insert view. So we need this front view. You can see preview here. This is the view we want. Let me click outside. Then to change size, mouse right click, we'll go for properties. Scale ratio, I'll make it here 1:3. Let me make 1:2. Okay. Let's say okay. Then by using this, I need to insert this side view and top view. For that directly we can go with this projection view. Either we want this side or this side. So we need this. Then again projected view. Either we want bottom or top. So we need bottom. Then we need to insert this isometric view. Isometric view by using window. Click on the part. So here orientation same we wanted. So only we got proper orientation. By mistake, if you have started this design from this front plane, you will get orientation like this. No problem. But if you want proper orientation, we need to follow proper plane selection. Then just I'll go for properties. Same for this also. We need to change here scale ratio. Then along with this, I need here like 3D model how they have given here with color also. So there we can go with this 3D colors. Scroll down in the place of exact view. We need to keep it raster. Then options here shading with edges, close, let's say okay. So in some systems you won't get this because of graphic issue. So if your system is supporting with proper graphic card, then this color and shading you will get. If it is not, no problem, just you can keep it like a line diagram. Then this we call it as unfolded view. So to insert that unfolded view under views toolbar, here you can get unfolded view option. We need to go for window, open the part for which you need to insert unfolded view, select any view. So how, in which orientation we want, we can adjust here. Like this we want, click outside, then by using properties, here also we will change scale. We make 1:3, 1:2. So according to our size sheet adjustment, we can change this scale. Let me keep it here. Now let's go for dimensioning. So I don't want to mention any view name here. So just I will delete all view names. Now just I will double click on this border to activate the view. Let's start with dimensioning. First I'll start for this front view. Here 450, 200, 54. By using here smart dimension. So dimension from this to this, we are having here 4 mm. So with reference to vertical direction. Then from this outside line to this outside line, we are having dimension of 50. Again, this outer to this outer with reference to horizontal direction, we are having 200. Same from this outer to outer, we are having again 50. Then overall dimension they have given from this to this. Let me zoom in and let me select that edge. See, if you are not able to select this properly, just I'll go for dimension. I'll click here horizontal mode from this to this. So dimension we want from this to this. So this icons is very bigger and this dimension line is very small. So we are getting trouble here. So in such case, some setting is there. Whatever this white dot is there, that we can reduce the size. Later we can select this. So no issue with that. Or else directly we have mentioned 250 plus 50, 300 also no issue. Then this radius we want, you can see inner radius. So same dimension. I'll use this first option for this. We need, see, dimensioning we are getting, but we need here radius. Just I'll open this, I'll click on radius. For this we are having radius of, for this radius we are having here 4 mm. So let me show radius 4 here like this. Then next we'll go for dimensioning for side view. Just I'll use again dimension. So here starting to end we are having 70. This to this we need here 70. So if we have, like, if we made any mistake while creating this particular part, here we will come to know we will get different dimensions. So all dimensions should be proper, then only we will come to know that we have created part properly. This to this also, so you can see here 146 only we got. Then this one from this to this, see here extra is there. So like that, some up and down it will be there, that we need to check and we need to close. Then this to this 100. Then this inside to here. So this inside to here we are having 32. Then overall we need 170 from this end to this end, 170. This is also correct. But here this we got error. So 4 mm it should be revert towards upside direction. So that we will check. Then next we can go for this dimensioning on the top plane. So dimension we need from outer to outer 200, then center to center 142, then just this line to this line, then radius for this, then next this dimension we are having here 20 from line to circle. So this to this 20, diameter of this hole. So I'll use diameter symbol for this hole. Then next we are having this 50 from this pocket, this to this 50. Then next we are having 70 from this line to this line. So 70 from this line to this line like this. Then this line is 96. So like this, just you can give all dimensions, then we can cross check whether we given properly or not. We have created part design properly or not. So for this curve radius, then again radius for this curve, then next we are having here 56. So this center to center we want. So then 254 we want from this center to this center. I'll select circle to circle 254. Then this 6 we need to give. So we don't have any center line here. We need to create that. So to create that, under dress up, we can go here, center axis line between this to this. Exactly one center it will create. But we need horizontal one. So just we'll click here. Let me select these two circles. Vertical only we are able to get. So horizontal we are not able to get. So no problem. This to this also if you create like this, it will come. So dimension, this half, instead of giving off, I'm going to create here 12 mm. Then this also same, center to center we want. So let me try one more center line between this line to this line. Exactly at center we got. So this dimension from this to this, we need dimension from center line to this curve, dimension this center line to this center line. I'll try to select. So center line we want between this to this, then center mark for this one and this one more center line between this line to this line. Center line between this to this. Then dimension from this center line to this center line. Let me check whether it will come or not. Like this, 56. Then same like that, 6 also we want. So let me select this, then this. So overall it is taking, it is not taking like half, it is taking like this. So just I'll keep it 6 mm here. So these are the dimensions we are having here. So I hope we have covered all the dimensions. Then if you want to show these hidden lines also, so just we can go here with these properties. We can show hidden lines like this. Hidden lines also will be shown. Dotted lines are this. So same here also. Mouse right click, properties. We need to turn on hidden lines. So hidden lines will be shown. So like this, we can create this sheet metal part with drawing. So here also text matter we can insert how we are having this. So usually this text matter also automatically it should come. So in next video I am going to create that. So this is how we can create, and here we got error of this 40 this just we can change it here. So this height we are whatever we are having this base that should be changed. Only here extra 40 we are having, but in drawing we got 44. Why? Because material inside or outside direction, like up and down direction. Because of that we got that. So just if you change here, it will be changed. Like instead of giving here, just double click here. 40 we are giving from top line to second line. But according to this, we are having 40 from top to bottom. It means just we need to reduce this. So just I will select this. I'll make here only 36. Then just if we go for drawing, then here we need to update. So properly we will get. Again, this 150 here also it got changed. So this one we need to increase 4 I'll take 154. So just we will come here and we need to make here update. Now you can see 40 150 according to our requirement we got it. So this sheet metal bending very complex. Like if you are going to create a part designs, if you make a step inside or upside, so that it will get huge difference here with the dimensioning. So while creating only, we need to make sure how much dimension we wanted and whether material should be inside or outside, that we need to check. So by mistake, if we have done any mistakes, again we will come to know in drawing. So here we can change by observing the dimensions. So I hope you understood the sheet metal design, how to create in CATIA. So if you feel this video is informative, please share to your friends to whom it will be useful. And if you have any suggestions from your side, please let me know in comment box. Thank you so much.